Almost everyone remembers the first time they saw a Corvette. For 70 years, Corvette has been the dream car for each generation.
Go ahead.
The promise of tomorrow. This is the mood of the Motorola. A promise made made explicit by customized cars such as the Chevrolet Corvette. These cars embody principles of design and engineering that foretell future motoring. Supreme promise of more and better things for more people in the world of tomorrow.
Sold him on the idea that the Corvette would float. He is the man that performance to match its sports car style. This letter saved the Corvette. One of Buntoff's favorite engineering test platforms was the Serve 1, utilizing this unique research tool, which coincidentally was built for Indy racing specs at the time. He worked tirelessly to refine the Corvette's ride and handling, and experimented with performance options like supercharging and twin turbos. Above all, Buntoff was a man of vision. He believed in goals, team building, problem solving, and technical excellence. In his retirement years, Zohar loved to visit Corvette events and was always accessible to chat with Corvette enthusiasts. He was one of the earliest supporters of the museum. Buntoff loved life, Corvettes, and Corvette people. After a rich and full life, he passed away in April 1996. In accordance with his wishes, his ashes were interred at the museum close to the Corvette he loved so much.
Yeah.
Jeez. What was that picture?
This one.
Oh, okay.
Go sit down with Mom.
Watch it go.